Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So today I have come up with some more superhero news. So let's start with the biggest one, and that is Wolverine coming to MCU. If you have watched my last video, so you know that I told you guys that MCU is planning to join MCU with X-Men. And I also told you that if this happens, there will also be a possibility of Wolverine coming to MCU. And it seems like happening now. Couple of days ago, Jackman posted a cryptic Instagram story. In the first story, he posted a picture of Wolverine claws. And in the another story, he posted a picture of himself with Marvel's head, Kevin Feige, which also indicates something major is coming. And I am telling you guys, if this happens, it's going to be huge. Because Wolverine have more fan following than any superhero in Phase 4. And the another thing is, if Wolverine or X-Men coming to MCU, so you can imagine some amazing movies in similar timeline. You know guys, X-Men movies were great, but their timeline was not consistent. Sometimes we see the movies from future and sometimes we see it from the past. And some movies were not related to the previous movie. This could change because we know how MCU works. First, they decide the full timeline with proper stories, then they do the rest of the work. So with this, X-Men movies could be even more better. I just have one request from MCU. Please don't ruin this one like Spider-Man. Clearly, MCU's Spider-Man is the worst Spider-Man ever. And I don't want similar thing happens to Wolverine. Now, without wasting any further movement, let's straight jump to the second story. And that is RDJ unfollowed Marvel cast and co-actors on Instagram. And this news came out of nowhere. Nobody know why RDJ did this, but his fan clearly in shock and wondering why he did this. But on his Twitter, he still follows Tom Holland, Mark Ruffalo, Chris Hemsworth, and Chris Evans. So what do you guys think why he did this? I would love to see your thoughts on this. And is this news was surprising for you too or not? Let me know in the comments. So guys, that it is for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, be safe.